Hello, my dear students. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope all are fit and fine at home and stay home, stay safe, and I hope you all are enjoying with us studies, with the video lectures. Yes, so I would like to explain the activity one more time, then we will continue with our studies. Okay, and the activity also includes a study also, study only. So I have told you का नाम जो है उसको याद करने के लिए एक्टिविटी दिया था मैंने। तो क्या करना है, पहले स्टेट से सेवेंथ स्टेट तक आपको अच्छे से एक बार पढ़ना है, स्टेट्स एंड कैपिटल का नाम। उसके बाद वापस जाना है, वापस इसी ऑर्डर पे ही जाना है। बीच में कुछ गलत हो जाता है तो आपको क्या करना है, एक पेपर पे लिख के अच्छे से याद करके वो ऑर्डर वाइज करना है। ओके, बैकवर्ड ऑल्सो you have to do it. You understood, right? I will show it to you. Wait. Yes, see here. कल हमने क्या किया था, 1 to 7 तक हमने ये एक्टिविटी किया था। आज क्या करना है, 8 से जाकर 7, 8th वन कौन सा है, स्टेट हरियाणा। हरियाणा इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेट ऑफ आवर today's activity. Okay, and Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Till Maharashtra we will do today. Okay, हमको हरियाणा से महाराष्ट्र तक आज एक्टिविटी में पढ़ना है। ओके, सो आई विल से लाइक द सेम वे यू हैव टू से। हरियाणा, चंडीगढ़, हिमाचल प्रदेश, शिमला, झारखंड, रांची, कर्नाटका, बेंगलुरु, केरला, तिरुवनंतपुरम, मध्य प्रदेश, भोपाल, महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई, मध्य प्रदेश, भोपाल, केरला, तिरुवनंतपुरम, कर्नाटका, बेंगलुरु, झारखंड, रांची, हिमाचल प्रदेश, शिमला, हरियाणा, चंडीगढ़, हिमाचल प्रदेश, शिमला, झारखंड, रांची, कर्नाटका, बेंगलुरु, केरला, तिरुवनंतपुरम, मध्य प्रदेश, भोपाल, महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई, मध्य प्रदेश, भोपाल, केरला, तिरुवनंतपुरम, कर्नाटका, बेंगलुरु, झारखंड, रांची, हिमाचल प्रदेश, शिमला, हरियाणा, चंडीगढ़। सेम वे यू हैव टू से 5 टाइम्स। यू अंडरस्टूड? आपको क्या करना है, 5 बार ये ऑर्डर वाइज और बैकवर्ड, जो ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर तक करना है। पता लगा? ओके, first one also we have to do because if we go further we will forget before one. हमको क्या होता है, आगे आगे जाते हैं तो पीछे वाला भूल जाते हैं, इसीलिए क्या करना है, हमें दो एक्टिविटी को एक साथ जुड़ के भी कर सकते हैं। इतना तो नहीं होगा। आज हम क्या करेंगे, हरियाणा से महाराष्ट्र तक करेंगे। उसके बाद जो लास्ट में क्या होता है, पूरा स्टेट्स एंड कैपिटल का नाम आपको याद होता है। उसके बाद इजीली हमको फटाफट बोलने में आ जाता है। ठीक है, आप करेंगे ना ये एक्टिविटी? ओके, पॉज द वीडियो एंड डू इट फॉर few minutes, for 5 times you have to do it. आपको 5 बार करना है, उसके बाद कंटिन्यू करो वीडियो को। ओके ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव टू आवर exercises. Okay, so in last class what we done, क्या किया हमने, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, क्विज जोन में मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस इन पेज नंबर 16 एंड इन पेज नंबर 17 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एंड राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स हमने लिखा है ना, आप सब ने लिखा है ना? Yes, I hope you have written. And in the next one, match the columns are there. Column A and column B they have given. आपको column A column B दिया हुआ है बुक में. आपको क्या करना है, वो मैच करना है. मैच करना है तो क्या हमने क्या करेंगे, तो हम लाइन ड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे. इसके ऊपर लाइन ड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे. हम लिखेंगे कि फर्स्ट कॉलम में कॉलम ए में 1 2 3 4 5 6 तक है, तो इंग्लिश लेटर में. कॉलम बी में कैसे नंबर दिया है, रोमन लेटर में. तो हमको कैसे करना है, रोमन लेटर 1 रोमन लेटर से हमको इंग्लिश लेटर को मैच करेंगे ऐसे. ओके, यू अंडरस्टूड नो. First one, Gangotri. Gangotri is a glacier. It is a Gangotri. It is a river of glacier, river of ice and snow. So we call it glacier. And second one, Srinagar. Srinagar is a valley. Valley. It is a plain area in mountain range. In mountain region. The Srinagar is a plain area in mountain region. And Shipkila is a pass. It is a pass. And Kanchenjunga is a peak. Yes, it is a peak. And Kosi is a river. And Karakoram is a mountain range. So you have to match it with 1 with Roman letter 5 and 2 with Roman letter 1, 3 with Roman letter 6, 4 with Roman letter 2, 5 with Roman letter 4 and 6 with Roman letter 3. Okay. You can see this, right? Like the same way you can match it. Okay. You understood? Yes, I hope you have written this. If not, pause the video and do it. Understood? Okay. Next, we will see the writing zone of our textbook. Where you have to write this, answer the following questions. You have to write it in your FNB, in your fair notebook. Okay, will you write now? Yes, I will wait for your notebook and all. Keep notebook with you and you have to start writing now. Okay, I will show it in the picture. You can pause and you can write it down. Understood? I will explain it for you. Okay. If you will do with a video class, it will be very easy for you and it will be not burden to write. Okay. So we will do the writing zone. Okay. Let's start with our writing zone. हमको क्या करना है, ये राइटिंग जोन है, इसको FNB में हमारा नोटबुक में लिखना है. ओके. चैप्टर नंबर 2, आज का डेट लगाओ. आज या कल लिखो, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आपको क्या करना है, डेट लिखना है. कौन सी डेट में लिखा है वो सब आपको पता लगाता है. इसीलिए हमको क्या करना है, डेट. पहले जब भी लिखो आपको डेट लगाना ही होगा, तो आपको याद रहता है कि हमने कब पढ़ाया, कब किया ये सब. इसीलिए हमको पहले डेट लगाना है. ओके. सो द today's, or if you will do with my video, you can write it today's date, or else you can write tomorrow. Okay. Writing zone. First one, you have to write chapter number 2, the Northern Mountains, then writing zone. Then I hope you have written the hard words, right? In your FNB you have written hard words. Then again you have to write the Northern Mountains chapter 2 writing zone and name the 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayas. First question is, name the 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayas. So, hope you are writing. If you can't write, it will be difficult, I know. With my explanation, you can't write. Pause the videos and write it down. Pause the videos and again you can on it. Yes? आपको क्या करना है? पॉज करके करके लिखना है. कोई बात नहीं, आपको होगा तो मैं एक और बार ये PDF भेजती हूँ. जो हमारा ऑनलाइन क्लास होगा ना, वीडियो क्लासेस, उसके बाद मैं भेजती हूँ. आपको क्या करना है, उसको देख के आपको लिखना होता है. ओके, तो मैं अभी क्या करूँगी, अभी सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन करूँगी आंसर्स. द आंसर इज द 3 पैरेलल रेंजेस ऑफ द हिमालयाज आर, जो कभी दूसरों से टच नहीं होता है. पैरेलल मतलब 2 लाइन्स और अ लाइन, इट विल नॉट टच ईच अदर एंड इट विल बी अ पैरेलल लाइन. ओके, एक दूसरे को टच नहीं करता है. I have explained it in previous videos. I have explained it what is mean by parallel. Okay, and the 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayas are, first one, the Himadri range or the Great Himalayas. We call it Great Himalayas also and Himadri also. The second one, the Himachal range or the Middle Himalaya. Why we call it as Middle Himalaya? It is in between Himadri and Shivalik range. Okay, third one, the Shivalik or the outer or lower Himalayas. We call it Shivalik as the outer or lower Himalayas. You will write it, right? Write in a neat handwriting. Okay, अच्छे से लिखना. Second one, name 3 hill stations on each in Himachal Pradesh, उत्तराखंड एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. क्या करना है, 3 हिल स्टेशन को लिखना है, जो एक हिमाचल प्रदेश का होगा, एक उत्तराखंड में होगा एंड एक वेस्ट बंगाल में होगा. आंसर्स आर, द 3 हिल स्टेशंस आर हिमाचल प्रदेश, यू कैन सी शिमला हिल स्टेशन, एंड उत्तराखंड नैनीताल, एंड वेस्ट बंगाल दार्जिलिंग. ओके, राइट अ good handwriting and you have to write a proper spelling. Okay, go slowly, not a problem, but write it in neat handwriting and with correct spelling. Third one, name 2 persons who scaled Mount Everest in 1953. Give their nationalities. वो के कहाँ से है वो पर्सन्स, वो नेशनलिटी भी हमको लिखना है. आंसर इज Tenzing Norgay of Nepal and Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand. So Norgay was from Nepal and Edmund Hillary from New Zealand were the first 2 persons to scale Mount Everest in 1953. Okay. और जो 2 आदमी थे, थेंसिंग नॉर्गे नेपाल से और सर एडमंड हिलरी न्यूजीलैंड से, फर्स्ट पर्सन्स टू स्केल, वो माउंट एवरेस्ट को पहली बार उसका ऊपर गए हैं इन 1953 में. ओके. फोर्थ वन, मेंशन 3 वेज इन विच द हिमालयाज आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू इंडिया. आपको क्या करना है, 3 कारण बताना है, 3 वेज बताना है. दे आर, द हिमालयाज आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू इंडिया, इम्पोर्टेंट अवर इंडिया को, अवर नेशन को, अवर कंट्री को ये हिमालयाज कैसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, कैसे महत्वपूर्ण है, इसको हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे इन पॉइंट्स. आंसर इज, यू हैव टू राइट द हिमालयाज आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू इंडिया इन द फॉलोइंग वेज. एक पॉइंट एक है, First one, the Himalayas form a natural boundary along the northern border so that other countries or other enemies can't enter India very easily. Okay, the Himalayas form a natural boundary along the northern border. नॉर्थ साइड में बॉर्डर जैसा होता है, वॉल जैसा होता है कि दूसरों को आने में दिक्कत होगा. सेकेंड वन, दे obstruct the rain bearing monsoon winds. It has not written properly, so you have to write MONSOON, winds and cause rainfall in northern India. नॉर्थ इंडिया में क्या होता है, द रेन बेयरिंग मानसून आता है, विंड्स उसको अपने अंदर जो उसका वॉल जैसा होता है ना हिमालयास, वो दूसरे जगह जाने में ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करता है कि उसको रोकती है. इसीलिए हमको रेन बेरिंग मानसून जो है अच्छी तरह से विंड लाता है कि अच्छा रेनफॉल होता है इंडिया में. ओके, सो the next is, the third point is, many perennial rivers originate from the glacier of the Himalayas. So हमको क्या मिलता है, हमको जो रिवर्स होता है उसके साथ जो हिमालया से ओरिजिनेट होता है, a river that flows throughout the year. Perennial river means a river that flows throughout the year. पूरा साल जो उसका पानी जो होता है वो खाली नहीं होता है. रेन रिवर्स जो होता है उसका रेनी सीज़न नहीं होता है, तो समर सीज़न में वो खाली हो जाता है, एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है और सनलाइट से क्या होता है, ऊपर जा सकता है. इसीलिए ये रिवर, द पेरेनियल रिवर जो होता है वो खाली नहीं होता है, ये ग्लेशियर से बना होता है ना. द रिवर्स विल बी फ्रॉम आइस एंड स्नो, सो इट विल नॉट बी empty. Okay, this is the importance of our Himalayas. You can write, right? Okay, then okay, so I hope you have all written the question and answers. Answer the following questions in your FNB. Okay, now fun zone is there. So in this fun zone you can see the topic, that is the Himalayas are useful to many countries. Do you agree? So this is a group discussion. We will do it in our online session. Today you have your online session, right? In afternoon. In afternoon session we will discuss about this. Think of it and get ready for our discussion. Okay, and brain quests are there. You have to do this also while we are going to take in online class. Okay, so in this video we will read the chapter now. One by one you have to read, but in the class it will be very easy, but in our video lecture I will going to read the chapter the same way. With me you have to read. If any difficulties or if any hard words you find out, then it will be very easy to understood. So clearly you have to listen and you have to read after me. Okay, so we will now start reading the chapter, because it is very necessary to read the chapter. If you can't understand or if you can't read the chapter, you cannot write in the exams. You cannot understand the topic. So we will read once. If you find any difficulties, go through it one more time. Okay. Chapter number 2, the Northern Mountains, the Great Himalayan Wall of India. The Himalayas. In the previous chapter, you had read that there are 5 physical divisions of India. This chapter deals with the first physical division, that is the Northern Mountains of India. These mountains stretch along the northern borders of India. Okay, you have seen this picture also. We discussed in the last class about this. Okay, so only we are reading now. Look at the dark brown colored range which are part of the northern mountains. These mountains are called the Himalayas. They are also known as Young Fold Mountains and stretch in a curve starting from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Their west-east extent is about 2500 kilometers and their width is about 160 to 450 kilometers. The Himalayas form a wall between India and China and are one of the highest mountain range in the world. So next page, turn the next page, that is page number 14. Sorry, I will take page number 14 now, wait. So the next page, that is the page number 14. Another range of mountain in Jammu and Kashmir is the Karakoram range. K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the highest peak in Karakoram range. Okay. So in the next one, the Himalayas have 3 parallel ranges at different heights. The Himadri, the first range is the Himadri or the Great Himalayas. The Himadri is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. It is the loftiest range and the average height of this range is more than 6,000 meters. The highest peak of this range is the Mount Everest, which is located in Nepal. This is the highest peak in the world, which a height of 8,850 meters approx. The highest peak located in India is the Mount Kanchenjunga in Sikkim. Okay, so next one. Next row. This range remains covered with snow throughout the year and has many glaciers two of them are the Gangotri and Yamunotri. The perennial rivers, perennial means you know that the rivers flow throughout the year. Ganga and the Yamuna originate from these glaciers. So next one, the Himachal range. Before that, fact is there, that also very important one, you have to read it. Tenzing Norgay of Nepal and Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand were the first persons to scale Mount Everest in 1953. The Himachal range. The second range is the Himachal range or the Middle Himalayas. This range lies between the Himadri and the Shivalik hills. It runs parallel to the Himadri but is comparatively less in height. Most of our hill stations lie in this range. There are beautiful valleys in these ranges. Valleys means plain area in mountains. Some of these being the Kashmir Valley, the Kulu Valley and the Kangra Valley. Some important hill stations, next page, in the next page you can see. Some of the hill stations in this range are Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling. Shimla in Himachal Pradesh, Mussoorie in Uttarakhand, Nainital in Uttarakhand, Darjeeling in West Bengal. So here you have to locate Darjeeling in the map. So next one, there are some important mountain passes like the Nathula and the Shipkila in this range. What is mean by passes? I forgot to explain this. Passes are known as la in the local language. In the local language, they call it la. Mountain passes. These passes were used by traders. Traders will pass through that laws, that places, and they used to trade the things, trade their products. Indians exported silk, cotton through them. So, silk, cotton, these all the things they have uh, exported with the help of traders, with the help of these passes. Okay. So, Nathula Pass and Shipkila passes are there in our Himalayan range, in the Himachal range. In Himachal range. Okay. The next one, the Shivalik Hills. This is the third range and also known as the Outer Himalayas or Lower Himalayas. These are the southernmost and the lowest ranges of the Himalayas. The slope of mountains are covered with thick forests which are home to a variety of wild animals. जो प्राणी संकुल होता है उसको ये माउंटेन शिवालिक हिल एरिया है जो वैरायटी ऑफ एनिमल्स का होम जैसा है. You can call it a variety of wild animals are there in Shivalik Hill Forest. Okay, next one. Importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas are very useful to India. They are a boon to the country as they make a natural boundary on the northern border and protect us from neighboring countries. They check the monsoon winds and cause rain in the entire northern plains of India. India would have been a desert if there were no Himalayas. Why we say this statement? Just think of it, and in online class we will discuss about this too. Okay? And the mountains also protect the rest of the country from the icy cold winds from Central Asia. Thus, the Himalayas affect the climate of India in many ways. So, हमको क्या करता है, आइसी कोल्ड विंड्स जो आता है सेंट्रल एशिया से उसको ए माउंटेन एरियाज माउंटेन रेंजेस प्रोटेक्ट करता है. एंड दस हिमालयाज अफेक्ट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया इन मैनी वेज. इंडिया का जो क्लाइमेट है, क्लाइमेट कंडीशन में जो चेंजेस होता है इसमें माउंटेन रेंजेस का बहुत बढ़िया काम है. मैनी perennial rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Kosi, Gandak, Ghagra originate from the glaciers of the Himalayas. They also provide us with wood, timber, and medicinal herbs and help in protecting the wildlife. These all the uses you can get from Himalayas. Okay. So this is our chapter. Quick review also we will read. Okay. So first one, the northern mountains are one of the main physical divisions of India. Second one, the Himalayas lie in the north of India. Third one, the Himalayas have three parallel ranges, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik Hills. The northernmost range is called Himadri, which has high peaks. The Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas with a height of 8,850 meter approx. The second range is the Himachal or Middle Himalayas. It has many hill stations. The southernmost and the lowest range of the Himalayas is the Shivalik. The Himalayas are the source of perennial rivers. The Himalayas save India from being a desert. The Himalayas are young fold mountains. Yes, you understood this quick review, right? In brief, I have explained these two in last video. If not, you check it out, okay? So in our online session, we will do our some activities like explore your word in page number 18 and do it yourself, and in fun zone, group discussion and brain quest also we will do in our online session. Okay, get ready for the online session. I have told you that you have to ready for group discussion, and one more thing I have explained that this why we call India would have been a desert if there were no Himalayas. This also we will discuss in our online session. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.